What's going on? Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers out there. Today we are going to Publix to pick up some roses, and we're gonna drop them off at all of our clients and our members' homes and make sure that they feel the love, and then we can recognize all the wonderful mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day. Come on, let's go surprise some people. All right, screw it. We're not doing roses, we're gonna do sunflowers. Because sunflowers, I mean, look, dude, they just look cool. They look cool. They don't have thorns on them. Like, they look awesome, you know? Like, why wouldn't you want to do sunflowers? Gotta have sunflowers, big. Let's go. I'm pumped now that we got sunflowers. I don't know why. All right, so we're at our first house. We got 2 sunflowers. One for the lovely Ashley and one for Daddy. So let's go surprise them. Happy Mother's Day, y'all. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing, Ashley?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. How are you doing?
Hi.
I was coming to stop by and drop off a little Mother's Day gift, you know, so
you so
happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you.
And I wanted to say happy Mother's Day to Dottie as well. Yeah.
Daddy, it's my boss. Yes.
Hi, Dottie. I wanted to drop off a little sunflower for as a Mother's Day offering, you know. And, well, I know I'm a little early, but we can celebrate Mother's Day all week, right? That's right, you know. So I thought I'd drop this off, and you know, nothing like a little sunflower to brighten everyone's day, you know.
Yeah, all right.
So, how you doing today, sweetheart?
Well, you know I was in the hospital,
Yeah.
but that's all better. My body isn't going the way it should be.
Just taking it one day at a time, right? Yep. I hear you. Well, you got the best. You got Ashley here, you know.
Yeah, she's a good girl. I like her.
I know, she's a wonderful lady, you know? So now we're going to Marilyn's house, and we're going to surprise Marilyn and Sam. High security around here. Got ring doorbell. There's attack dogs. What's up? Look at these guys. What's going on? Cool. These are corgis, aren't they? Yeah.
That one's Finn and that one's Fiona.
Oh, so we came to drop off gifts. A little Mother's Day gift.
Okay.
So we were coming to drop off little Mother's Day gifts here, you know. How you doing, Marilyn? How are you today? Yeah? Aren't those pretty? I know the sunflowers, they're meant to brighten your day a little bit.
Right.
And I know we're a little early for Mother's Day, but there's no reason we can't celebrate all week, right?
Right.
Right.
I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to you guys in case I don't see you on Sunday, okay? She's like, I'm out of breath. I just walked all the way around the pool. Sam's been working me out twice. Now you're making me talk, you know? The Amazon guy showed up here too, bro. The Amazon guy, he's in my house every day. I wonder if I touch those together if it would ring.
Yeah, go ahead, get shot.
Hello. What's up, Josie?
How are you?
How are you? We're coming to wish everyone a happy Mother's Day.
Sunflower's my favorite.
Yeah, is it really? Oh, look at that. See? It's a good thing we have sunflowers, you know? Yeah, absolutely.
How are you?
I'm doing good. I see you in photos.
Is it?
Yeah.
I tell you, I send them photos
I
all the
get
time.
I get to see photos of you sometimes, but
So nice of you.
I haven't officially met you. I'm Kris.
Oh, I'm Liz Johnson.
Nice to meet you. Maybe I brought you a sunflower
Oh, exactly one.
for Mother's Day. It's a little early.
I've been his mother.
I'm a little early to the party, but
I've been his mother.
Sunday. But I figured we could celebrate all week, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
it started so great.
Well, it's nice to finally meet you, Mabel.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we literally bought out the entire Publix. so if you want to go to Publix and get sunflowers, there's none left. We got them all. You know?
What's your birthday?
What year were you born?
Good.
What year were you born?
24.
1924?
Yes.
She's 99.
Wow. That's amazing. You've seen the entire thing for wow, that's crazy.
Is she good? She walks.
No,
She's pretty dang good for 99.
I'm telling you what. Well, we're gonna have to celebrate your 100th birthday. When's your birthday?
January 10th.
Okay. All right.
Yes,
If you ever need anything, you just let us know, okay?
I need some money.
Dude, she was on that. Like she didn't message. Don't we all? We gotta find that guy. I don't know where he is. You know. I don't know about that. Now we're headed back to ActivAge Port Charlotte to give all of our members and all of our team, who are amazing mothers, a sunflower to brighten their day. We got the mother load. We literally cleaned out Publix. So if you want sunflowers, don't go to Publix. They don't have any.
No, I haven't either.
How are you? Hey, I got a sunflower for you. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh,
I'm a little early. You know?
can I kiss you again?
We'll Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
We're going. I know it's a little early, but it doesn't mean we can't celebrate all week, right? Hey, I just want to say Happy Mother's Day. I got a little sunflower for you.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. Mwah. No problem. Thank you, sweetie. Miss Joyce, I wanted to give you a sunflower for Mother's Day. It's a little early, but I wanted to wish you a Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, no problem. You enjoy, okay? I was coming to wish you a Happy Mother's Day. So I figured I would get you a little sunflower to brighten your day. All right?
That's nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day,
Oh, thank you.
Rhonda.
This is my favorite flower.
I know, right? See?
Love it.
That's why we were gonna get roses. Like, you know what? I saw these, and these just like they look cool, you know. Happy Mother's Day. See,
Finally, you get it.
right? See, look. There you go, man. No problem. Hey, Carmen, now. I'll be right back. Carmen. This is for you.
For me?
For you.
Oh, thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, Carmen. Happy Mother's Day, sweetheart.
Thank you.
I know it's a little early, but it's never too early to celebrate.
No, I appreciate it because all my family's in Connecticut.
Oh, okay.
So this will be something I receive from you guys.
Awesome, awesome. Well, happy Mother's Day, sweetheart.
Thank you.
All right. What's up, yo? Happy Mother's Day. Is it? Dude, the sunflower is a good choice, man. I'm telling you what, like.
It was a good choice.
I know, like everyone, like.
Makes you look sunny.
I can't tell you how many people said that was their favorite flower. Like everyone, like literally, I know. Dude, this is so much better than roses. I'm never doing roses again. Like screw roses. You know, happy Mother's Day, ladies. All right.